At the nail shop. Hey, pretty princess is right here. Twin and niece. We're all getting our feet done. The princess is getting her feet done. Kalia? The big princess is right there. What? Did you just come from the bathroom? You wash your hands?
Yeah, but the bathroom smelled bad.
Okay. Oh, shoot. Did I do that? Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Chloe. Hey, mama's girl.
Collection.
No, I'm scared you might swim in the water. Yeah.
Bye-bye. How you feel?
Relax. You relaxing?
Let me see what colors you got, Kalia. What colors you pick out? She getting rainbow color. Yeah. You need one more because you have 5 fingers. And Chloe just over here chilling. Chloe. Chloe. Hey, mama.
I'm just trying to find the color.
Princess getting her feet done. A pedicure.
Mask on, Cleo.
Mask on. And unless you're drinking. Little cute little kid chair. Is it the water hot? Put it in there. You can. Do they got the massage part in here?
It is not working.
Oh, okay.
I think it's one.
Oh, she's gonna do it next.
Is she doing her nails? Is she gonna do her nails next?
Yeah.
Okay. And I think her feet need to be cut. Yeah, clip her toes a little bit.
That's so fun.
The mountains is raining. I mean, snowing out here. Got my Valentine's Day breakable heart with strawberries.
In 1.3 miles, continue onto I-5 South.
A few moments later.
Ow! My finger hurts. Stop! My finger hurts. What's that?
No, I need some more bigger pants here.
Ah! Hey! Get auntie!
Don't that in the car. I'm trying to get in the car. Stop. No, I don't want you to get Chloe.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
You bring it.
Okay. Let's see. Okay, look. Okay. Oh, it's candy.
Candy.
It's
Yeah,
what's inside.
Oh, even the horse candy.
Mm-hmm. That's what's inside.
Mmm. I think we have to do. That stuff is good.